Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
From the navigation bar, select Students and Students' IEPs. You will go to the student record and open the current IEP. Check to see if there is an amendment to that current IEP. If there is, you will not be able to correct the meeting. You will need to contact your program technician for assistance. If the current IEP does not have an amendment, you may proceed with the correction. Go to the future IEP. If you are correcting the meeting date, click the pencil on the Ed Setting Offer of Fate page. You will need to update the plan effective date to be the correct date of the meeting. Click on Return to List. Click the pencil to edit the information eligibility form. To correct the meeting date, click in the meeting date box and populate the correct date. Be sure to update the future dates as well. To correct the meeting type, select or deselect the appropriate boxes to match your correct meeting type. For example, if this was a plan review and reevaluation, make sure to select both types. When you are finished correcting the meeting date or type, click Save and Affirm. Select each box to confirm the meeting information. You will need a new parent signature for this correction, so you will select No for signature and agreement. Did this student transfer in from a non-SEIS district? Did this student transfer in from out of state? Add a remark explaining why you are reaffirming the IEP. Verify the other meeting dates and click Continue Affirm. Click Continue to complete the Affirm process. Select any forms that were used in the original meeting and click on Submit. Click the green Affirm button. The Affirm process is complete. After you complete the Affirm process, you will need to click on the folder icon to go to Historical IEPs. Find the IEP with the incorrect information. Open the IEP and add a comment stating the reason why you were reaffirming this meeting. Be sure to DNR the incorrect transaction.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.